So let's see if we can figure out what 1/3 divided by 5 is. And I'll give you a hint. Try to draw out 1/3 of a whole and then divide it into 5 equal sections. Pause this video and try to do that. All right, now let's try to work through it together. And to help us, as I promised, or as I suggested, I guess, we said, let's draw a third. So I will represent a whole by that square right over there. And now let me split it up into 3 equal sections. So this is all hand drawn with the aid of a computer, so it's not going to be perfect. But let's say that that is 3 equal sections. It's roughly 3 equal sections. I didn't do it perfectly, but you hopefully get the idea. And so 1/3 would be one of those 3 equal sections. So that's a third right over there that I have just shaded in. And I want to divide it into 5, or I want to divide it by 5, I should say. So let's do that. So to divide it by 5, I'm going to divide it into 5 equal sections. And if I'm dividing that one into 5 equal sections, let me just divide all of the thirds into 5 equal sections. I'm essentially just going to make 5 rows here. 1, and I'm going to eyeball it, so it's going to be approximate. 2, 3, and then 4 and 5 equal sections. So notice I now split this whole into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of equal height. Now, if I go to my original third and I divide it by 5, I would be left with this right over here. But what fraction is this of the whole? Well, what I've done now is I've split my whole into 15 equal sections. How do I know that? Well, I could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or you could just say, look, I had 1, 2, 3 thirds, and now each of those have been split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal sections. So 3 times 5 is 15. So each of these is a 15th, and so the 1/3 divided by 5 is just one of those 15ths. So that right over there is one of those 15ths. So this is going to be equal to 1/15. And we are done.